Stuck in the heat with a broken Subaru Forester AC? Let's troubleshoot. First up, check the simplest thing, your AC settings. Make sure it's on cool and the fan speed is turned up. Next, let's talk about the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant is a common issue. If it's low, your AC can't cool properly. You might need a professional to top it up. Another culprit could be a dirty cabin air filter. If it's clogged, it restricts airflow and your AC won't work well. Swap it out for a new one if needed. Don't forget the AC compressor. This part pumps the refrigerant through the system. If it's broken, no cool air for you. A mechanic might need to take a look. Lastly, check for leaks. Leaky hoses or connectors can let refrigerant escape. This is another job for a pro, so let's recap. Check your settings, refrigerant level, cabin air filter, AC compressor, and look for leaks. With these tips, you'll be back to enjoying cool air in your Subaru Forester in no time. Stay cool out there.